Okay, let's talk about your brows really quickly. I don't want this to be too long, okay? Because brow placement is very, very important when you're looking at your nose. And there are ways you can make your nose look slimmer. And I did not know this until I watched Wayne Goss, and he used something like this as a tool to a guide. Now you can look at my brows and tell. Typically, I used to have hair right in here, but now it's really, really, really getting sparse. You see, I still have a nice shape, but I just don't have many hairs left. So what he said do, if you want, well, let me just show you. He used something like this, and he put it right here. And he said, if you want your nose, now you got to take in mind that I have closed set eyes, you have wide set eyes. So you will have to kind of figure out what's best for you. But for me, if I'm going to make my nose look slimmer, I'm going to have to come in like all the way here. And so if I leave it like this, look at that. My nose is going to look wider. So I'm going to do my brows, and then we're going to come back and we're going to see how this looks doing a contour with it. Plus, I want to share a little tip with you. This is Kosas, and this is like a brow gel, and it is tinted, of course. And so I grabbed something that was kind of close to what my natural brows used to be. But this will help you if you cannot see the hairs. You can actually use something like this to kind of darken them a little bit. Now, I wouldn't put more than that. You see the difference, how it made? So I know exactly where it starts now. And so that's going to be advantageous to me because I know where to begin and I know where I need to come into. So this is just an extra little tip. You should try it. Okay, I'm up close and personal. Hey, this is back to brow. This is the brow pencil. It used to be really long. Now, typically I would put the powder on first, but with this, I like to come in and kind of fill in under here to give you a nice straight line. You see what I'm talking about? And that way you have a definite placement of where your brow begins and ends, okay? So typically, guess what? I've got to bring it in a little more. So I'm going to have to put a dot like right in there. And that's where I can see it. You probably can't see it. But that's how far I really kind of need to come into. So this is going to help me be able to do that. So I'm going to go ahead and just kind of feel through here. I love to line it all the way across the bottom up to the brow. Point and then back down. You see? And then take your brush, your spoolie, and kind of smooth it out. I always comb it up and then over, okay? See that? We are going to use the powder though. Okay, I went ahead and did my dot a little better so that you could see it. See where it's at? I'm missing a lot of hair there. So what we're going to do is just kind of connect this really lightly. Yeah, we're going to make my brows look a little longer. And I have been looking for one of those nice little brow pens that has a little, like a comb in it. That would be really easy for this. But for now, I've just been doing this. And I don't really like to go too far, even though it looks like I should come a lot further. I'm going to kind of take some of that off, but you can already see how it's come in and it's changed the shape of my face. So I'm going to do that on this side, and then we're going to come back in and kind of clean it up and use the powder part of the back to brow. All right, so you're going to need a brush. This is It's cosmetic brush. It's just a little crease brush. And then you're going to need something like this. I have just about used all of this color. This is WSOR, and these are NYX little sticks. I love them. They're contour sticks. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come right here, and I'm going to see exactly I need to come out and come down. So take a little bit of this, yeah, and we are going to connect it like right here. And we're going to come straight down. Now, I'm just doing a little bit of a guideline just to get it started. This is what I did the other day. And I like to make it kind of skinny looking. Look, ooh. And then I do bring it through here and here because my nose is wider here. So wherever you shade it, it's really going to make it recede instead of come forward. Light brings things forward. Remember that. And less is more when you're doing this, okay? So all I'm going to do now, I can just use my beauty blender and kind of blend this out, or you can use a brush to kind of blend it out. That's just up to you. But if you want to use a brush, just grab a little brush and just kind of go through it back and forth Now I am going to use concealer down the center, like I said, and just blend it out. It's really easy to do. And then come back and we'll add a little bit of light. And you'll see the difference. See that? Already it's looking better. Yay! It's just a trick that I thought I would share if you have, issues trying to do your nose. Now, I'm going to grab some concealer and we're going to do that. And then we'll take a look at the finished product. And ta-da! There we go. I love this. I love it. I want y'all to try it. I think it is a game changer. I think the hardest part about it is doing your brows and learning how to do those. But I'm still working on that, and you can do it too. I swear you can do it, and I can already see a difference. I love it. I absolutely love it, because used to mine looked really, really wide. I do have a wide nose here. Your nose grows as you get older, so it's going to continue to grow, especially here where there's, it's just cartilage. There's no bone there. All right. What do y'all think? I kind of like my snatchy little nose. Okay. Y'all have a great day. Please try it. See you later.